Day trading is like a fast-paced game where every second counts and decisions must be made in the blink of an eye. You buy and sell futures contracts within the same trading day, aiming to capitalize on the small fluctuations in prices. The goal is to make quick profits from small price moves, often leveraging technology and data to make informed decisions. Imagine catching a wave and riding it to shore, feeling the rush of adrenaline as you navigate the ups and downs. That's day trading, but with futures instead of waves, where the thrill comes from the market's volatility. It's not about holding contracts for the long term, but rather about seizing the moment and making the most of short-term opportunities. It's about making quick decisions and capitalizing on short-term opportunities, often requiring a keen eye and a steady hand. Day traders are like the sprinters of the futures market, always ready to take off at a moment's notice. They focus on speed and agility, constantly scanning the market for the next big move. They don't wait for long-term trends to develop. Instead, they look for immediate opportunities to buy low and sell high. This requires a deep understanding of market dynamics and the ability to act quickly and decisively. This requires focus and discipline, as well as the ability to stay calm under pressure. The market moves fast and you need to be ready to react, often making split-second decisions that can make or break your day. Day trading is not for everyone, as it demands a high level of commitment and a willingness to take risks. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a disciplined approach to trading that requires patience and perseverance. It requires knowledge, skill, and a certain appetite for risk, as well as the ability to learn from both successes and failures. But with the right approach, it can be a rewarding endeavor, offering the potential for financial gains and personal satisfaction. Successful day traders often spend hours analyzing market data, developing strategies and refining their techniques. They also network with other traders, attend seminars, and stay updated on market news to stay ahead of the curve. Balancing work and life is crucial, as the intensity of day trading can be mentally and emotionally taxing. Taking breaks and finding time to relax with family or friends helps maintain a healthy mindset. Setting clear goals and regularly reviewing your performance can help you stay focused and motivated. Celebrating milestones and achievements, no matter how small, can boost your confidence and keep you on track. Day trading is a journey of continuous learning and improvement, where each day brings new challenges and opportunities. With determination and the right mindset, you can navigate the fast-paced world of day trading and find success. NASDAQ is like the New York City of the stock market. It's home to many technology companies, think Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. These stocks tend to be more volatile. They move up and down more than others. This is what day traders love. Volatility creates opportunities. NASDAQ is also known for its liquidity. This means there are always buyers and sellers. You can easily enter and exit trades. This is crucial for day traders who need to act fast. Imagine trying to buy or sell something in a crowded market versus a deserted one. NASDAQ is like the crowded market, making trading smoother. The NASDAQ also has strict regulations. This ensures fairness and transparency. You can be confident that the playing field is level. This is essential for making informed trading decisions. Before you start day trading on NASDAQ, you need a few things. First, you need a brokerage account. This is like your gateway to the stock market. Choose a broker that offers a user-friendly platform and competitive fees. Think of it as choosing the right pair of running shoes before a marathon. Next, you'll need trading capital. This is the money you'll use to buy and sell stocks. It's important to start with money you can afford to lose. Day trading involves risk, and it's crucial to protect your financial well-being. Education is key. Before you jump into the world of day trading, learn the basics of technical analysis. This involves studying charts and indicators to identify potential trading opportunities. It's like learning the rules of the game before you start playing. Section 4. Essential tools for the NASDAQ day trader. In this section, we will delve into the indispensable tools that every NASDAQ day trader should have in their arsenal to navigate the fast-paced world of stock trading. Day trading requires the right tools. Without them, you might find yourself at a significant disadvantage. Just as a carpenter needs a well-equipped toolbox to build a house, a day trader needs specific tools to succeed in the stock market. You wouldn't try to build a house without a hammer and nails, right? Similarly, entering the stock market without the proper tools is like setting yourself up for failure. Similarly, you need specific software and resources to navigate the NASDAQ effectively. The right software can make a world of difference in your trading performance. A charting platform is your best friend. It provides you with the visual representation of stock price movements, helping you to identify trends and patterns that are crucial for making informed trading decisions. It allows you to visualize stock price movements and identify patterns. These patterns can give you insights into potential future price movements, enabling you to make strategic trades. Look for a platform with real-time data and a variety of technical indicators. Real-time data ensures that you are making decisions based on the most current information available, while technical indicators can help you analyze market conditions more effectively. It's like having a roadmap of the stock market. With the right tools, you can navigate through the complexities of the market with greater ease and confidence. A stock screener helps you find potential trades. It allows you to filter through thousands of stocks to find those that meet your specific criteria, such as price, volume, and volatility. It allows you to filter stocks based on specific criteria, such as volume and price volatility. This targeted approach saves you time and helps you focus on the most promising opportunities. Staying informed is crucial. In the fast-moving world of day trading, having access to the latest news and market analysis can give you a significant edge. Subscribe to market news sources that provide real-time updates and analysis. These sources can keep you informed about market trends, economic indicators, and breaking news that could impact your trades. This will keep you ahead of the curve and help you make informed trading decisions. By staying updated with the latest information, you can react quickly to market changes and capitalize on new opportunities as they arise. Section 5. Basic strategies. Navigating the NASDAQ waters. The NASDAQ is a bustling marketplace, teeming with opportunities and risks. To navigate these waters successfully, you need a solid understanding of basic trading strategies. There are many day trading strategies, but let's focus on two basic ones: momentum trading and scalping. These strategies can serve as your foundation as you build your trading skills and knowledge. Momentum trading is like catching a wave. Just as a surfer looks for the perfect wave to ride, a momentum trader looks for stocks that are showing strong movement in one direction. You're looking for stocks that are moving strongly in one direction. This could be due to positive news, strong earnings reports, or other factors that drive investor interest. You buy when the stock is going up and sell when it starts to lose steam. Timing is crucial here. You need to enter the trade at the right moment and exit before the momentum fades. It's important to identify the trend and ride it until there are signs of a reversal. This requires constant monitoring and a good understanding of market indicators. Scalping is like grabbing pennies in front of a steamroller. It's a high-intensity strategy that involves making numerous trades throughout the day. It involves profiting from tiny price movements. Scalpers aim to make small profits on each trade, which can add up to significant gains over time. You buy and sell stocks quickly, aiming for small profits on each trade. This strategy requires a lot of focus and quick decision-making. It requires precision and quick execution. Scalpers often use advanced trading software and tools to help them make rapid trades. Remember, these are just basic strategies. They are starting points for your trading journey. There's much more to learn about day trading. The more you educate yourself, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of the market. It's essential to continue your education and refine your approach. The market is always evolving, and staying informed is key to long-term success. Whether through books, online courses, or mentorship, keep learning and adapting.